Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laundry detergents that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for a detergent that fits your specific needs, whether that's for sensitive skin, eco-friendliness, or unbeatable cleaning power, you're in the right place. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the all-liquid laundry detergent, Free Clear for sensitive skin. If you're someone with sensitive skin or allergies, this detergent is worth considering. It's free from dyes and perfumes, making it hypoallergenic and dermatologist recommended. With an impressive 237 fluid ounces per bottle, it's designed to handle a lot of laundry, ideal for large households that need a reliable, everyday detergent. The design of this product is utilitarian but effective. It's a liquid detergent that comes in a large, easy-to-pour container. While it doesn't offer fancy scents or flashy marketing, it focuses on what matters, being gentle on the skin while still delivering a solid clean. It's compatible with both high-efficiency and standard washing machines, making it versatile for most households. In terms of performance, this detergent excels at basic cleaning tasks. However, it may struggle with heavy-duty stains compared to other detergents on this list. It's best suited for those who prioritize skin safety over stain removal power. The value is excellent for the quantity you receive, but if you're looking for fragrance or advanced stain-fighting capabilities, this may not be the right choice. Pros: affordable for the size, hypoallergenic, and versatile. Cons: not the strongest on tough stains. At number 4, we have the Tyler Glam Wash Laundry Detergent in Diva Scent. This detergent is all about luxury. If you're someone who loves premium fragrances and wants your laundry to smell like a high-end boutique, this is the one for you. The Diva Scent is a blend of floral and fruity notes that leave your clothes smelling divine long after they're washed. The design feels premium, and the detergent itself is concentrated, so a little goes a long way. It's especially good for delicate fabrics like lingerie and specialty linens, making it a favorite for those who want to pamper their wardrobe. Plus, it's biodegradable and free of harsh chemicals, so you can feel good about using it. Performance-wise, the Tyler Glam Wash does a fantastic job of cleaning and softening fabrics. However, its high price point and specialized use make it less practical for everyday laundry needs. It's best for those who want to indulge in luxury or have specific fabrics that require extra care. Pros: luxurious scent, great for delicates, concentrated formula. Cons: expensive, not ideal for heavy-duty cleaning. Taking the number 3 spot is the Zoom Clean Laundry Soap in Amber Scent. This plant-based detergent is perfect for those who are eco-conscious, but also want a product that stands out from the crowd. The Amber Scent is a unique blend of vetiver, patchouli, lavender, and cedar, offering a grounding, earthy aroma that's unlike anything else on this list. The design of this detergent is simple and natural, reflecting its commitment to sustainability. It's made with ingredients like saccharified coconut oil and essential oils, and it's cruelty-free. With 64 fluid ounces, this bottle can handle up to 64 loads of laundry, making it efficient and cost-effective for its size. Zoom Clean performs well for routine laundry and is particularly great for those with sensitive skin, thanks to its gentle, low-sudsing formula. However, it may not be the best for heavily soiled clothes or stubborn stains. It's ideal for smaller households or anyone looking to reduce their environmental footprint. Pros: eco-friendly, unique scent, gentle on skin. Cons: not the strongest on tough stains, smaller load capacity. Our runner-up at number 2 is the 7th generation concentrated laundry detergent, liquid, free, and clear. This detergent is a fantastic choice for families with sensitive skin or those who prefer fragrance-free options. Its triple enzyme formula effectively tackles tough stains, all while being hypoallergenic and free of dyes and perfumes. The build quality is solid with a convenient liquid form that's easy to measure and pour. Each 40-ounce bottle washes 53 medium loads, and because it's concentrated, you're getting more cleaning power per ounce. Plus, it's EPA Safer Choice certified and made with 96% plant-based ingredients, reinforcing its commitment to sustainability. Performance-wise, the 7th generation detergent is reliable and effective. While it may not leave clothes with a lingering scent, its cleaning power is impressive. And it's gentle enough for baby clothes or sensitive skin. It's a great option for environmentally conscious consumers who still want solid cleaning results. Pros: fragrance-free, eco-friendly, strong on stains. Cons: no scent, smaller bottle size compared to others. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Gain Flings Ultra Oxy Laundry Detergent Packs in Waterfall Delight scent. If you're looking for a detergent that combines convenience, performance, and a fresh scent, this is the clear winner. These pre-measured packs are incredibly easy to use. Just toss one into your washing machine and you're good to go. The design of these packs is all about simplicity and efficiency. Each pack contains a 3-in-1 formula: detergent, oxy boost, and a freshening agent. This combination ensures your clothes come out clean, bright, and smelling amazing. The Waterfall Delight scent is a crisp, refreshing aroma that lingers throughout the day. In terms of performance, Gain Flings excel at tackling tough stains and odors, even on heavily soiled clothes. They're compatible with both high-efficiency and standard washing machines, making them suitable for virtually any household. At $19.97 for 76 packs, they offer great value for their convenience and performance. Pros: easy to use, strong cleaning power, amazing scent. Cons: not suitable for people who prefer fragrance-free options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.